Ladies and gentlemen, ever experienced a situation where you did everything correct, got the perfect setup, the entry, but the entire market happened to crash the day you go bullish and take a trade? If you're an experienced trader, you would know that these things happen quite often. However, the good thing is the solution is quite simple. This is something I always ensure I do, buying only first class stocks. Yep, that's it. The solution is that simple. So, what is first class stocks and how does it help? So, if you go to the monthly time frame of any stock and it looks like this, from 22 years it's been on a clear uptrend. This is a first class stock. It might have few ups and downs, but the overall direction is an uptrend. Now, if you found an opportunity to buy in a stock like this, a first class stock, and in case the market falls after you buy it, you need not worry. It's gonna rise back, might take a little longer than what you have planned, but since you know it's a first class stock, it's sooner or later gonna head back up. So here are a few examples of what a first class stock looks like. So here, as you can see, it is in the monthly time frame and has a beautiful uptrend going on from over 16 years. There might be few ups and downs, but as you can see, every time the stock falls, it just rises back even higher. And here another example, there might be few more ups and downs, but the overall direction is a clean uptrend. In fact, every time there's a dip, it's just another wonderful opportunity to buy. And here again another beautiful example of a first class stock. Now, when you come across a stock like this that has no particular direction, sometimes it heads upwards, other times it comes quite a lot down, and as you can see, it's going nowhere. These kind of stocks are called second class stocks, and you're better off without it, it's not worth having. And then we have stocks like this and this. These are third class stocks and they are the complete opposite of a first class stock. It's on a constant downtrend. Many make the mistake of assuming it has already dropped so much. How much more can it fall? But as you can see, from 500 to 100, 100 to 50, 50 to 30 to 20, there is no end to these kind of stocks. It's better to avoid these stocks like the plague. If you see here, not even a single stock on my watch list is either a second or a third class stock, except for the ones I kept to show as an example. I only keep first class stocks cause these are the only stocks that I can feel completely safe and sure of when taking my trades, knowing that the odds are strongly in my favor. Now, trading in first class stock does not mean that you should not keep a stop loss. What it does allow you is to loosen your stop loss and give your stock more room to flow around in case of any market crash or a similar situation. If you want to learn simple yet wonderful strategies on how to take your trades, I have plenty of simple and easy to understand videos that you can check out.